Hello students, this video is to teach you how to send me 3D print files that you may have created in Tinkercad to me so that I can 3D print them for you. So once you're in Tinkercad and you're on the actual object, the design that you want to send to me, you go up here to export and you're going to choose .stl. That is the file we want to use for our slicers. It will download it and show you that it's here, but you don't need to click over here. What you want to do is now go to your email. I'm going to email myself just so you can see how to do it. So I will type in my name, Jamie Guile, and you want this one, at dartmouthschools.org. Tell me what it is. 3D print, and then maybe tell me what it is. Mine is called dual extrude test. Send me a nice little note. Hey, Mr. Guile, could you 3D print this for me? Please, of course. And then down here you click the paperclip, which means attach. The thing you have just downloaded should show up right at the top of recent. I'm going to choose this one. They're both the same. Hit open. And it is now attached. And I will hit send. And you will see that it immediately shows up because I sent it to myself. And that's it. I will have it. And I can click on this and go from there and 3D print it on one of the 3D printers.